Come on. You have to cross the road. Fresh, huh?
Oh, it's not as bad as you think. I mean, that's a bit bad.
Yeah. This way, Baba. Nini looks so cute today. Have a look at her outfit. Yes. Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to... When you go to Melbourne, as long as you keep yourself well covered,
Yeah.
don't get cold, right?
Well, maybe.
Unless it's really...
Yeah, when the sun is up, it's not too bad. Okay, Mama, hold. Good girl. Seatbelt, ate. You're gonna get sick? Yes. You're nearly... No. Huh? Your water bottle is inside, okay?
Mama likes it.
Yeah, it's on the floor. Mama will grab it for you soon, okay? Is that okay? You cutie boy.
This is my toes.
What? That's your knees, honey.
That's the toe.
You see Ati?
No. I can see her. Okay.
Alright, we can go now. No, you're strapping Lini. Yay! Kape tayo. Kakadrop lang natin sa dalawang kids natin, guys. So, sumama yung lolo nila sa pag-drop kasi alam niyo bang uuwi na siya ngayong araw na to. Sobrang bilis lang. Dumating siya nung linggo. Tapos, today's Friday ay aalis na rin siya. So, mabilis lang yung pagbisita niya, guys, kasi bukas daw may appointment siya sa doktor at kailangan niya talagang gawin yun. And also, kasi manager kasi siya, guys. So, mahihirapan daw siyang time off kasi especially next week daw, dalawang worker daw niya ang off. Kaya wala daw magka-cover. So, sabi niya, I would really love to stay longer but I got, things to do. Anyways, sumama siya sa pag-drop kasi sa Ate Paris makikita pa niya mamaya. Kasi pick upin namin sa Ate Paris at 3. Tapos i-drop namin siya sa airport kasi 5 o'clock. 5:40 yata yung, yung flight. But si Baby Celine, hindi na niya makikita kasi Celine finishes childcare at 5. So, kaya sumama siya sa pag-drop. I took a photo of them. It's so cute. Sobrang bilis lang. 5 araw lang. But I'm very happy that we're able to spend those days with him. Kasi, hindi natin alam kung kailan ulit siya makakabalik. Diba? Mahirap kasi, guys, kasi even though nasa Australia kami, malayo pa rin siya. Like, it's 5 hours na airplane flight. Kasi from Darwin kasi siya, guys. So, if you imagine from here, from Brisbane to the Philippines, it's 7.5. So, hindi malaking agwat. And, yeah, yun na nga. Busy yung mga buhay-buhay. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking boses, guys, nasally. Because I have sipon and early this morning, I woke up with a massive headache. Uminom ako ng Panadol, ng paracetamol. And alam niyo ba, that was like 5:45. So, nakabalik ako ng tulog, guys. Kasi alam niyo yun, kapag uminom kayo ng gamot, like you feel drowsy. So, nakatulog ako, guys. Late ako nagising kanina. Nataranta ako kasi, I have to take the kids to school. But anyways, I am just relaxing now. Kape-kape lang muna ako kasi yung dalawa sa school. Daddy Mike is working, as you can hear. And I have one person coming to pick up the bag. They're gonna go post office later because I sold something online. So yeah, yung tatay niya ayaw na talagang magpa-drop. Sabi niya, no, you don't have to drop me later kasi marami na daw akong gagawin. Ayaw doon niyang dumagdag. So it's okay. Airport's not far anyways. So it's now 2:20 ng hapon, guys. And we are going to pick up Ate Paris. I know it's still early, but I just wanna go to the post office before natin pick up sa Ate Paris. Meron tayong ipopost dito na bag. I sold on Gumtree today. And this lady has been buying from me for a while now, guys. And every time na she receives her bag, she's very happy. So she's, you know, she keeps coming back, which I'm very happy about, of course. So return customer ko na siya, but I always give her like, you know, good price. Anyways, so post office and then school, pick up at Paris, and then we'll come home straight away to take Lolo Jeff to the airport, guys. Uuwi na siya.
Fresh. Mystery solved. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Thank you. No worries at all.
We're going.
Aunty's here now. What's up, Baba? We're gonna go drop Lolo Jeff to the airport. Come on. I know, sweetheart.
I also know.
We gotta go pick him up. Shush, are you okay now?
I need help.
How's your day, my love?
Good.
Good? I'm sorry, buhok lang. Where's your hair tie? Oh my God, what happened? Huh?
I don't want to run.
Come on, put seatbelt. Didn't show. Because, yeah, Lolo Jeff can't be late.
Oh, the plane will leave.
Yeah. That's our Lolo Jeff. What are you eating?
Hi guys, I'm back from school. So we're just going to the airport to drop Lolo Jeff back to the airport so he can go back.
Okay. Take care, eh? Here we go. Hello, Paris.
You gonna cry, Daddy? You gonna cry?
Say that too, matey.
It's gone?
Yeah,
Go find the water bottle.
not there.
Are you sure?
Not there.
I'll go with you. Let's go find it. Are you sure you look properly? What did you have on your face?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? Did you have ice cream at school today?
Yeah.
Sure. Kalungat mo siguro na.
Pockets.
What is it?
Pockets.
What is it again?
Pockets.
You know guys, hindi yan siya nag-ano ha? She means crackers, hindi fuckers. Oh, where are they? Where's Ate? Go, Ate.
Auntie.
Louder.
Auntie.
You know Lolo Jeff went home already?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's not there anymore. He went home.
I say hi to him.
I know, he told me. From the balcony, you saw him.
He's not here.
Yeah, he said like, oh, I saw Celine
from the balcony and she waved to me. Huh?
Can we go see Shadow today?
Dito ako sa baba, guys. Kinuha ko yung camera natin sa sasakyan kasi nakalimutan ko. It's dangerous, you know, leaving valuable things in your car. Labas ko na sana yung camera kasi mag-vlog ako. Sabi ko, asan yung camera? Iwan pala sa sasakyan. And look at my outfit for tonight. I'm so freaking cold, guys. I got no idea. So, it's already cold, like really cold in Brisbane now. I don't know how are we going to handle the coldness in Melbourne. So we're leaving in 11 days. Goodness. Kaya nga si mami nyo ay panabili ng mga warm clothes pa. Okay. Let's go ang ating tinggil. So yung gagawin natin ngayon ay this is Daddy Mike daw yung magre-ready ng dinner. So, anong oras ko naman? Still, it's not even 6 yet, I think. It's 5:55. So, magpaplansya ako ng mga Burberry trench coat na natanggap natin from our box, guys. Bagong stock natin. So, anuhin ko lang sila, i-steam ko. We'll get it ready for this Sunday. So, ngayong Sunday, ay bibenta ulit si mami nyo. This will be the last Sunday that we will go sell before we fly to Melbourne. So, alam niyo na guys, punta tayo ng Melbourne, kailangan meron tayong pocket money. So, kailangan nating magbenta pero meron tayong allowance. So, buti na lang yung bagong box na dumating, may mga trench coat na laman and it's perfect kasi perfect for the weather, muddy now. And I noticed that last time nung nagbenta ako ng mga trench coat, madali siyang nabenta and they're also like on the higher price. So, these na these. Meron tayong 4. Pressure. Ayan, this is the first one and this is really good. Meron siyang belt. Second one is Burberry's and this one wala siyang belt. But I don't think pamalapit to siya kasi short yung kanyang short length kanyang braso. Try ko nga sila. This one is pang winter talaga, guys. Kita nyo, meron siyang yung panloob niya na wool na pwede mong i-zip and unzip. This is also Burberry's. And then this one is Burberry's as well. Pero ito siya, it doesn't come with the so magagamit mo pa rin siya pero wala yung yung wool sa ilalim. Tapos, missing belt din pala ito siya. Yeah. There you go. Try natin din. Pasya pa kay mami. Tapos, nagkakape ako dito, guys. 6 o'clock at night, nagkakape. Keep me warm. I think this is size 10. Size 10 po siya. Ayan siya. Ganyang mga etiquette pa. Size 10. Pang malaki to sila eh. Yung mga sizes kasi dito sa Australia, guys, normally pang malaki. Mas maraming bumibili pang malaki kasi obviously mas malaki yung build nila kaysa sa ating mga So this is also, I think this is also a 10. Dali!
Yeah.
It's too big for me, yeah?
Yes.
Because someone will ask, you know, like what size is this? 10?
What size is
I'm 8.
10 or 12.
Yeah, but definitely, I think they're for women. This one, I think this one is small. Yeah, ito yung kasi sa akin 8. Ito yung 8. Ganito lang siya, oh. Ayan, wala siyang lagayan ng belt. Oh my God, sakit ng ulo ko. Magkakaubo ako, guys. This is really good. Hindi ko mababay sa outfit. Kasi, maganda ko siya para. Meron na kasi akong isa, guys, na nilaan ko na for myself para pang Melbourne ba. This one is nice. What's that, eh? No, this is 8. That's how it's meant to be. And this one, my belt. I think this is also 8. See, that's the perks of guys, seller. Kasi ikaw yung unang makakapili. Oh, that's nice. 8, okay. So 2 8s and then 2 10. Hopefully, mabenta natin. Ayan na ang ating na steam. And this one. Dress. Ito, sobrang ganda nito, guys. Unggoy, ito na. Very cute, no? And then, ayan. Tapos yun siya. Pipresyohan ko lang, guys. Ay. Presyohan ko lang yan sila. And then, let's see. Nag-ready na ako ng mga ganito, guys. Nilagyan ko na ng lubid. Nawala yung pagsulat ko, guys. Kasi alam nitong mga bata ay pinaglalaruan. Tapos, hindi binabalik kung saan dapat kalagyan. So, hindi ko na makita yung aking pencil pen. Ayan. Si Daddy Mike pumunta ng shop. So, sabi ko, bilhan mo na lang ako ng Sharpie para dito. Habang ako ay magluluto ng kanin. Magsaing tayo. Kasi, I remember na meron pala akong tuyo, guys. Yung dala ng tito ko ba? Yung mama ko yung magpadala nun. Hindi ko pa naluto. Ito yung nakainin ko for dinner. So, isang basong bigas ay ubos to siya kapag tuyo yung ulam. Pero, mas okay, guys. 1, 2, 3! Ah! Hello. Hello, sweetie boy.
Apple.
Hello, boy.
I'm slim.
You're silly. You're my beautiful silly.
I'm a boy.
You're not a boy. Louis is a boy. Sit here.
He's a cheeky boy.
He's a cheeky boy, isn't he? Tell Tita and Tito, Louis is a cheeky boy. Huh?
Mom.
Huh?
Tapi sakit tau. Kalau aku cuma tahu kan, jangan
Ulbo ang kasba. Ayan, guys. Ang bulad. Ay, kalamian eh. Ayan. From Pinas. From my mama. Ma! Wait, ang puwit mo to. Ha? Isa ra ako. Isa ra sa akong lutoon. Gagmay naman na. Kwit, ano ba? Bigyan mo rin. Gagmay, kanon. Isa. Ma, kanon, isa ka. Isa ka akong kong. Kamay, may